If z is equal to cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3, then z square minus z plus 1 is equal to. So it is given that z is equal to cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 minus I into root 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 minus I root 3 by 2. We know that omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. So from here, if we put a minus sign here, we get this. So this is equal to minus omega. Now we need to find z square minus z plus 1, which means minus omega squared minus omega plus 1 equals omega squared plus omega plus 1. We know that omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get 0. 28th question. 1 plus cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 plus divided by 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2 equals. We know that 1 plus cos A is equal to cos square 1 plus cos 2A is equal to 1 cos square A. So we can write this as cos square it will be 2 cos squared pi by 24, and sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. So this can be written as I into 2 sin pi by 24 cos pi by 24 divided by here also we can do the same thing, which gives us 2 cos square pi by 24 minus I into 2 sin pi by 24 cos pi by 24 raised to 72. Okay, now we can take cos pi by 24 outside. So we get, now we can take 2 cos square 2 cos pi by 24 and will be equal to cos pi by 24 plus I sin pi by 24 divided by 2 cos pi by 24, yeah, into cos pi by 24 minus I sin pi by 24. This is raised to 72. Now we can cancel this, which gives us this. We should be knowing that cos theta plus I sin theta raised to n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So we can take this to this side. So this will become cos 72 pi by 24, and this will become sin 72 pi by 24 72. So this will become cos 3 pi by plus I sin 3 pi plus cos 3 pi plus minus I sin 3 pi. Cos 3 pi is equal to cos 2 pi plus pi, which is equal to cos pi, which is minus 1 plus 0 by minus 1 plus 0, which is equal to minus 1 by minus 1, which is 1. So we get the answer as 1. Now let us do the 29th question. If a is equal to 1 comma 0 comma 001, then a raised to n plus ni is equal to. So if we find a square, which will be equal to 1001 into, sorry, this is 1 into 1011, this is equal to 1021. If we find a cube, it will be equal to 1011 into 1021, which is equal to 1031. From here we get an analogy that a raised to n is equal to 1 0 n 1. Okay, so if we get in this way, we understand that and ni will be equal to n 0 0 1 0. Okay, so a raised to n plus ni will be equal to 1 plus n 0 n 1 plus n. So this is the what we get when we add a raised to n and ni. Okay, now let us move to the 30th question. If a is equal to 1 comma 1 1 1 1 1, then a raised to 2017 is equal to. So this is a good question. First let us find what will be a squared. A squared will be equal to 1111 into 1111. This is equal to 2222. Similarly, a cube will be equal to 3333, which is equal to a cube is equal to 4444, which is equal to 2 into 2 squared into 111, which is 2 squared into a. So if we similarly a raised to 4 will be equal to 2 cube into a. So we find that a raised to n will be equal to 2 raised to n minus 1 into a. So a raised to 2017 will be equal to 2 raised to 2016 into a. So this is what we get. Now let us move to the 31st question. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. The probability of getting at least 2 tails are. So they are saying that 3 unbiased coins are tossed. So the total outcomes will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. So the total outcomes are 2 8. We can write it as n of this. Now the events where we get at least 2 tails are tail tail head, tail tail tail, head tail head tail, and it's okay. So we get 4. Let this be equal to we get 4. This is equal to ne. Now the required probability be pe. Pe will be equal to ne by ns, which is equal to 4 by 8, which comes up to be 1 by 2. Now the 32nd question. From 4 balls, 4 red balls, 2 white balls and 4 black balls, 4 balls are selected. The probability of getting 2 red balls is. So here the total outcomes are 10C4, which is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 4 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 210. Now the events of getting getting 2 red balls will be equal to 4 C2 into 6 C2, which is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 into 6 into 5 by 2, which is equal to 6 into 50. Okay, so probability of E will be equal to n of E by n of which is equal to 15 into 6 by 10, 21 into 10, 5 into 7, 2, 3. So we get the probability to be 3 by 7. So we come to the end of fourth session of KEAM 2017 Maths Important Questions. Now we have one more part, so please watch that too.